Since Mark Zuckerberg announced on October 28th that Facebook would now be known as the Meta platform, or simply Meta, its share price has increased by more than 9%, more than doubling the Nasdaq NDAQ plus 1.4%. If you're unfamiliar with Metaverse, consider it a virtual world. Virtual worlds come in a variety of forms. Facebook aspires to be the largest. Whatever you think of Facebook's foray into the Metaverse, they'll probably censor people in the new parallel universes. Zuckerberg's move into this space demonstrates that he's ahead of the curve among the big tech juggernauts. If you're new to the NFT club, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this. Let's get started without further ado. The current most popular ideas of the metaverse we have today could simply be described as a place one can visit via smart glasses or VR headsets, where you find yourself in a computer-generated world, some fake forest or a beach somewhere or your office. The possibilities are limitless, says Guy Yampolsky, chief organizer of the WOW Summit in the United Arab Emirates, the largest blockchain and NFT event in the Gulf. Jan Polsky believes the rest of big tech, as well as Japanese gamers at Sony and Nintendo, will follow Zuck into the metaverse. Disney is going to join the fray. This is blatantly obvious. People will become addicted to these virtual worlds, and all kinds of nefarious sad things will occur to them. I've seen Caprica. This is not going to end well for humanity. But if I'm wrong, maybe I should invest in the meta space. But I don't want to pay $340 for a single share of Facebook. There has to be a better option, and of course there is. Blockchain platforms are springing up all over the place to serve as the backbone of their virtual world, where people can play games or trade NFTs and cryptocurrency. It's a wonder they'll ever get away from the keyboard. The metaverse trend has enormous potential to revolutionize our lifestyles and communication, and its growth has accelerated post-pandemic. But the metaverse is still in its infancy, and the race has only just begun, says Shizing Mao, aka Discus Fish, CEO and co-founder of Kobo, a formerly Beijing-based cryptocurrency asset manager and custodian platform now based in Singapore. Any company developing VR or AR technology such as Magic Leap, HTC Vive, or Varjo is a metaverse company. Dmitry Budorin, an advisor of Art Wallet, an NFT marketplace and storage solution, says a metaverse company conducts psychedelic research or develops biohacking or nootropics products that alter your brain chemistry. Any company that combines these two worlds with digital assets is a metaverse company. That does sound terrifying. Companies such as Facebook are investing in software and hardware to enable metaverse virtual displays. Outside of a few games and well-known platforms like Decentraland, the scalability of these virtual worlds has yet to go far on the blockchain. It's something I've never used. It appears to be The Sims. For games, this introduces me to a whole new crypto segment, GameFi. Yes, I'm aware of it. No, I'm not going to invest in it. I believe I should begin poking around. This is unquestionably a metaverse nook worth exploring. How do we invest in the metaverse before the Cylons take it over if this is going to be a thing? The best way to invest crypto in the metaverse is to buy NFTs, referring to non-fungible tokens, as everyone's reading this knows. An NFT is typically made up of graphic arts, audio, or video clips that allow investors to own a virtualized asset on the blockchain. Everyone knows that shortly after Facebook's announcement, Decentraland's native token Mana reached all-time highs. It was purely a momentum trade. Only the unlucky were able to participate in that one. Anyone who fell for the hype has since lost money. A few days ago, it has already dropped to $3.20. Serious investors can purchase the Grayscale Decentraland Trust in the same Mana token as a metaverse play. Can you believe Grayscale is now a thing? It's increased by over 1,000% since its inception in February. There is, however, a catch. You must be an accredited investor, which requires a $25,000 minimum investment. If you invested on the first day of the fund's launch, you have $275,000 as of this weekend. Is that making you sick? It makes me feel ill. How can the rest of us get in on the action? One thing to note about crypto-based metaverse projects is that you can earn tangible resources and assets in the metaverse that can be exchanged for other digital and real-world goods, says San Morales, Chief Operating Officer of Miobu, a new GameFi project based in Spain. Wow, I had no idea Spain still made things. It's the meeting point of gaming and finance. You've already seen it with several blockchain projects where you can earn a living simply by playing games. Consider Axie Infinity or AXS, a Vietnam-based blockchain game by Sky Mavis, in which you can earn money in NFTs and sell them for fiat. People are currently creating parallel universes. MYOB began as a community token in June 2021 and is only now beginning to work on creating a metaverse game. They intend to release it in stages on the blockchain, beginning with a simple trading card game and progressing to a full-fledged immersive role-playing game in the later stages. The token is currently available on Uniswap. According to Roman Nekrasov, a serial IT entrepreneur from Russia and co-founder of the Encry Foundation, the creation of metaverses will catalyze the development of blockchain systems oriented towards decentralized governance, decentralized finance, and smart contracts in general. He has another method for investors to enter the metaverse. Simply purchase the foundation builders. Consider Ethereum, ETH, Polkadot, DOT, Solana, Sol, and Cardano or ADA, he says. This is about infrastructure building blockchain projects that are created for seamless transfers between blockchains, not just blockchain systems for creating decentralized applications. Polkadot, in my opinion, is one of the most noteworthy, he says. Polkadot aims to solve a critical problem, ensuring interoperability among various blockchains on a single platform. One day, seamless transfers between blockchains will be required. Polkadot has a bright future in the next 5 years, in my opinion. The first step is to invest in the infrastructure of metaverse platforms and ecosystems, he explains. In most cases, the token economy underlying the ecosystem is a common investment. The second is to make an investment in core NFT assets on a specific metaverse platform. It could be something like gaming accessories or virtual avatar clothing. The third option is to buy a social token, because social interaction in the metaverse may result in new social networking apps and a fan economy. It will be an important part of the metaverse's development. Social tokens are a type of cryptocurrency based on a community, influencer, or brand. They may be part of the metaverse or have no connection to it. It's just another way to diversify your crypto portfolio beyond Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the traditional altcoins like Filecoin and Litecoin. I'd buy AXS for the social aspect, says Jan Polsky, who was named one of the blockchain influencers to follow this year by HackerNoon. What we see in terms of community development there is insane. They've now incorporated multi-billion-dollar, player-controlled ecosystems into games. Jan Polsky founded CGU.io, a play-to-earn game guild inspired by the idea of gamifying entire token ecosystems. Play-to-earn, the metaverse is calling, it says on their website, and a homepage that looks like a pink flying pig crossing with a ram and a chicken. They have their token CGU, which trades at around $2 and changes. Jan Polsky asserts Crypto Gaming United now has over 70,000 members from around 26 different countries. I'd rather put money into these than play with it. These virtual worlds appear to be a total waste of time. Take a look at the Sandbox. That Minecraft-styled game comes with its token Sand. It was worth $0.03 at the start of the year, and it's now priced at $2.7 and has approximately $2 billion invested in it. I can't even, as teenagers used to say in 2018, begin buying and developing virtual land and assets, advises Joel Deitz, a former Art Wallet employee and Ethereum co-founder. Get involved in a couple of projects with 100-fold growth potential and spread your bets. Deitz is the creator of a Metaverse, a new platform for creating metaverses. It began in late October. We just started issuing our land sale following intense interest from Dubai Blockchain Week, he said through his press office. The event concluded on October 18th. Today's cryptocurrency investors are likely to be masters of the metaverse. The metaverse has the potential to take The Sims to new heights. We are truly creating parallel systems of existence that will change the way we live, interact with people all over the world, and conduct business, which means you can probably hire someone in the metaverse. So, you were fired in the new dystopia of doing the wrong thing? Make a living by creating a parallel universe in the metaverse. Oh sure, it'll happen. There's some pre-Star Wars action going on here. According to Nigel Green, CEO and founder of wealth manager DeVere Group, Facebook will hire 10,000 people in the European Union to develop Zuck's metaverse on its Horizon World platform. Facebook's announcement underscores once again that those in the know see the metaverse as its successor, not as an extension of the internet, says Green. As a side note, while this is entirely due to the metaverse, it's entirely due to cryptocurrency. Grayscale's total assets under management have now surpassed $60 billion, surpassing State Street's STT plus 0.6%. Gold ETF, or GLD, that's GLD's minus 0.3%, was once the most actively traded ETF. Grayscale did not begin issuing crypto ETFs until around 2017. The SPDR Gold Fund has been in existence since 2004. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you for spending some time with us. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and notification bell and subscribe to our channel to get access to more interesting videos from us. Until next time.